Hi everybody, how was your weekend? Well, today it's Monday, so it's time for another Pyrocast to make your week a little more fun. So I have many ideas. This one was from the Valentine week and also Venice Carnival. Well, you have lots of ideas, lots of things that you can explore to make new projects, and of course also the tips and tricks section. I have also decided that I will continue this project. I remember it was a lot of fun. And I also learned with the process, of course, when searching for new ideas, new things that would happen that week, to give you some ideas to burn for new projects. So I will continue this project in the next year. I just have to learn a little bit more about podcasts and where to place them. So I'll leave you another one. Hope you have a great week and have a lot of fun. See you next week. Bye bye.
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, welcome to another Funtastic Monday. How was your weekend? So, are you full of ideas for this upcoming week? I hope so. In the meanwhile, I'll leave you some more so you can have lots of fun. If you are a romantic person, this is your chance to show your loved one your skills, because this week we have Valentine's Day and I have some ideas for you. Why not convert one of the objects he or she loves into an art piece? If your loved one writes a lot, why don't you make him or her a very special wood-burn pen? If it's a woman, you can probably make her a wood-burn jewelry box. Now, something that works for both is a wood-burned frame with a picture of you both. Let your imagination go wild and make something special for someone very special. Now, if you go for the frame, here's an idea of what you can do. Make the frame with a picture and place it in the living room or even in the bedroom, and let him or her notice it and see the reaction. Now that would be the ultimate surprise. We also have a very exciting event starting this week, that is the Venice Carnival. The exquisite costumes and masks, even the most simple masks, are incredible. I bought one with me when I traveled there some years ago. A mask would be a great subject to burn. Venice itself is a great subject. Take a picture of a Venice landscape with the bridge, the water and the buildings. That would be an incredible work. Make it big. It may take some time, but in the end, you'll be very happy with it, I can assure you. Oh, and the boats, the gondolas, such a beautiful and romantic subject. Today, in the tips and tricks section, I'm going to talk to you about the choosing of your machine. Now, I have to start saying something that will probably upset some people, but there is no such thing as the best machine in the whole world, fantastic, incredible. That is a brand statement. With the machine, you have two options here: solid tip machines and wire tip machines. You also have two situations. You are starting and you don't know if you like pyrography or if you will continue to do this type of art. The other situations is that you have been working with pyrography for some time and you feel the need to upgrade to a high-end machine. Both factors combine between each other. What I mean with this is that if you are starting, you shouldn't buy an expensive professional machine right away. Start with a cheaper solid tip machine. If it has temperature control, that would be perfect and a great help. If you have been working for some time and want to upgrade, then high-end machines are available, a lot of them. In this situation, my advice to you is that you read about the machine, ask for other people's opinion about it, check several forums, and don't rely on publicity. I say this from my own experience. Just because you see a brand everywhere doesn't mean that it's the best one or the one that works for you. Also, pay attention to what kind of warranty is given by the brand and where it's from. Remember that you'll have to deal with customs, and if something happened with the machine, you'll have to send it back for repairing. These are things you should take into consideration before the final decision. Here in Portugal, I have no option since there aren't any reasonable machines here. I have to order anyway. In this situation, consider what's best for you between price, quality, and location. I'll leave you for now with these extra ideas. Remember to give life some inspiration with your beautiful works of art. Life imitates art more than art imitates life itself, like Oscar Wilde said. Have a wonderful day and a great week. See you all in next Funtastic Monday cast, where your Mondays will never be the same.
Funtastic Mondays.